What's poppin'? What's good? Let's get straight into today's video. In today's video, y'all can see it's another natural hair content. Natural hair chronicles once again. Today's hairstyle I have already done previous. Oh, just a twist hairstyle, and I loved it. I did a twist style, loved how that came out. Now I'm showing y'all how I done this hairstyle, and this is kind of like another restyling to that flat twist hairstyle I did back in. I think the video went in August. That different hairstyles for a week, and I had a flat twist and twist in the back. I think that's what I was going for. But this is much better than the flat twist at the front. And I'm using rubber bands, Y2 comb, parting comb, some oil of your choice, some cream or gel, whatever styling product you have. I have scrunchies. Hair's already detangled and it's been sitting out for a good minute. I did wash it because it needs to be washed before I put this hairstyle in, because I don't know when's the next time I'm going to have time to wash it. So that's why I already went ahead and washed it today. And I'm getting straight into the styling. You can already see I parted my middle part already. That's what you first want to do. And I'm going to go in and part across ear to ear for my front. So I pinned this side up so we can start on this side. And this side is going to have 3 different sections. So you're going to part it twice. We're just going to start off with the first one. So this one section is going to be one piece. If your hair is thinner on the side, add more section off your hair equally, so you don't have just a small piece, but enough to also twist up and look big. Taking some of our Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink and applying this for my roots down. A generous amount. Then you take a rubber band. I'm just using one. And I'll wrap it. And just start twisting your hair. Normally. But also y'all can see as I'm twisting, I'm flicking my wrist a little bit. And then tangling down as I go. I just wrap that third section to the side. And I'm going to show y'all what I do for the next 2. It's not totally different. But you have that one section. You're going to split it once again. Even parts. Put the back to the side. Get some more product. Get a rubber band. And you can use colored rubber bands, but all I have right now is the black ones. Combine them together. And you see how I did a little twist method from the front to the back, but it's still puff look. You want to have that.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
And that's what you have. You have the first one, you have the second.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son and friendship. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside.
This is how they should look. A pattern going on. You can either have it going all to the front or bring it to the back. Now I'm about to do the same thing to this side and have them to try to be equally parted. This is how the front looks. All neat. Had to go back and redo this one, but it could be better. But this is what I'm saying. The back or the front layout, cute either way. Now I'm finna twist my entire head. Only section off the back and to the middle part. To the middle, yeah. And section off the middle part. They're not gonna be small twists, but medium size. And it's gonna be two twists on each side for the back row. I don't know about this one, but I'm probably gonna have 4 different sections of twists going across, and I'll figure out the rest.
working. Yeah. You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. Just tell me about that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Just beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you.
So we're all done. My hair came out real cute. I feel like the first time I did this was much better than this one, but it's still cute. Whenever it comes to the crown of my hair, I think that's called, or the middle section right there, I never know how to part it. But when that twist out come out, it be bomb as I don't know what. And then you can either, when you do the twist out, just take the back out and it still look cute. But when you take the front out, it just gives it more. Unravel the front twist where these rubber bands are, and it makes sure twists pop out a little more than just having that. But the rubber bands are still attached, so it's still cute. Instead of having all that hair in your face, you have it pushed back a little bit. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video of another Natural Hair Chronicles. If y'all enjoyed this hairstyle and want to try it on yourself, you surely can. Simple, easy, not long hairstyle to do. I would say this hairstyle takes about 20 minutes if you're not doing your wash day. If you're doing your wash day, I say 2 hours. That includes washing. And if you blow dry, but I didn't blow dry. This hairstyle is great for if you don't blow dry. And the product I use, because it's supposed to help retain your length instead of shrinking up. And that's good for twists especially. And it's elongating. So throughout the days, your hair won't get shorter. So it don't take that long for your hair to get volume when you do your twist out. So that's the end of today's video. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe down below for more. When you do, you also come a butterfly. And comment what other videos you want to see from me. And we are out.